what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from UNice, and you guys can find them on Amazon. If you guys are interested in this unit that I'm showing to you guys today, be sure to click the description box below because I'll have all the links and information in regards to this wig listed there. So you guys see the color, you guys see the texture. Let's just go ahead and get straight into it. I got this new wig from, once again, UNice, and this is their 13x4 high definition auburn brown loose wave curtain bang bye-bye knots wear and go lace wig. And y'all, this is what this wig is looking like. I was super excited because it has those face framing curtain bangs, and it also has tons of lace, so you can definitely do a deep part, a side part, a middle part. Now this unit does have the drawstring backing, so it is definitely adjustable, and it also comes pre-taped. So if you guys are ones who prefer to glue your wigs down or use a little bit of adhesive tape, it already comes pre-installed for you. This unit is also pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-styled. So if y'all are in a rush, or if you guys are like me, have little to no patience, this is going to be the wig for you. Throw on and go, you're out the door. All right. So as usual, I do like to kind of prep my wig and get it ready to be worn. I just like to do minor styling adjustments. And so I did lay the perimeter of the hairline, as well as I did kind of flatten everything on top. So therefore it's ready to go. And yeah, this is what it's looking like.
One thing that you do, but time is precious, wanna spend it with you. You know it's good if you wanna come through. Get in my space, make you wanna stay. Everything.
Okay, so I just kind of let it sit and dry overnight, and this is the very next day. Once again, this is what the unit looks like. The perimeter hairline's nice and dry. It's ready to install. Now, per usual, I do kind of like to temporarily tint my lace using just a little bit of foundation. I'm completely out of foundation that will blend in and melt with my skin, so I am using my airbrush leg spray. And if you guys are interested in anything that I'm using throughout this video, I will have everything listed below per usual. I did snatch those little adhesive tape strips off because I am just going to use a little bit of my Ebin melting spray on the lace, but I did go ahead and tint my lace, and that is what it's looking like. Gonna go ahead and throw my stocking cap on, get this wig on, and see what we're working with. Now, as you guys can see, this wig does have the little drawstring in the very back, so I did adjust that to get a nice comfortable fit. I love the little drawstring in the back because it just kind of gives it your own little custom fit. Now, I am going to apply a little bit of my Ebin lace melting spray. Gonna throw on my edge band, let that melt down, and finish prepping this wig. Just a little tip, if you do struggle to get your lace to blend in naturally with your skin tone, girl, just throw on some little baby hairs. I went ahead and I pulled some out. I cut those down. I'm applying a little bit of gel. I'm just going to swoop those. Not too crazy. However, I do prefer baby hairs, especially when I'm doing colored hair, just so I can bring some of that color to my face naturally, like as if it is my natural hair. I'm also throwing a little bit of my black hair concealer just along the part to kind of make it look like, you know, some grown out roots. Gonna freshen up the curls by using my curling iron. Okay, you guys, so this is what this unit is looking like. Y'all check out that body. And you guys, I am in love with this color. Y'all know I love me a good brown wig, especially ones that work well with my skin tone. I am just 100% here for it. You guys can see the body and the movement of this hair. Again, like I mentioned before, it's ready to go. I did do some minor adjustments just to kind of fix up the unit per usual, because you know it is sitting in the box for a while, so I just went ahead and refreshed the curls. But for the most part, this unit does come all the way together. They even have a curler on the curtain bangs for you, so literally all you have to do is pull it out and put it on. You guys can see how I added a little bit of the hair concealer just around the part, just to make that part pop and look like grown out roots. I absolutely love doing that with colored hair. It just works better for me because you know I do have my darker brows and the darker grown out roots. It just kind of is a match made in heaven. So once again, you guys can get this unit from off of Amazon. It does come from UNice. Quick specs about the unit that I have: it does have the 13x4 high definition lace. It is in the color auburn brown and the loose wave texture. You do have the face framing curtain bangs, which I absolutely love. You can tuck it behind your ears. You can reposition the part to kind of give it like a natural layered appearance. My wig is 24 inches long. I love me a good long wig, especially in the fall/winter months. Cooler months is always going to push towards a longer unit in my opinion, and this unit is 150% density. So once again, I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. You guys let me know what you guys think about this unit, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Happy holidays, and I love you guys. Bye.